Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the Aerox V3 and connect it to your PC or dongle. Do not delay. Open the SteelSeries or OEM lighting app because software gives the cleanest control. Once done, confirm firmware is current to avoid settings conflicts. Make sure to update if prompted. If you prefer hardware, learn the onboard button combination that toggles brightness. Otherwise, use the app slider labeled Brightness or Illumination. This immediate setup prevents wasted steps later and ensures changes will save properly. You now fine-tune brightness. Move the slider slowly while watching the LED zones respond, because visual feedback prevents over or underbright settings. Once you pick a base level, adjust individual zones for balance, select a zone, then set a % or numeric value to match other zones. If you use onboard controls instead, cycle presets and hold the lighting button to step through intensity levels. Make sure to confirm the final state so it persists. After matching levels, test in different ambient light conditions for consistency. You finish by saving your settings to the mouse memory and syncing profiles to the cloud or app so changes persist. Once saved, unplug and replug or reboot the mouse to confirm the brightness sticks. Make sure to test with the PC in sleep and active states. If brightness resets or doesn't apply, reboot the software and try again. If problems persist, update the firmware and reinstall the lighting app. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes erratic behavior and restores reliable brightness control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.